Good afternoon. My name is Sintha. I'm from class F of Accounting class, Economic Faculty, University of Panchabakti, Pontianak. I'm here this afternoon to talk to you about an accounting issue that we feel is of great importance. My objective is not to try and persuade you to take a stand on this issue, but I would like to try and present this accounting case onto you in order to better educate all of you here on a very important accounting equation concern. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for allowing me to come before all of the accounting students of Economic Faculty of University of Panchabakti for this accounting English forum. My topic today is how to apply the accounting equation in English. Okay, the first topic I want to talk is what accounting is. My dear listener, accounting is the recording of financial transaction plus storing, sorting, retrieving, summarizing, and presenting the information in various reports and analysis. Accounting is also a profession consisting of individuals having the formal education to carry out this task. Do you understand? Have you any question? Okay, if there is no question, I want to process to question number 2. It is about accounting question. Accounting question is the basis upon which the double entry accounting system is contracted. In addition, the accounting equation is asset, liabilities plus shareholders equity. The asset in the accounting equation are the resources that a company has available for its issue, such as cash, accounts receivable, fixed assets, and inventory. The company pays for this resource by either incurring liabilities, which is the liabilities part of the accounting equation, or by obtaining funding from investor, which is the shareholders equity part of the equation. Thus, you have resources with offsetting claims against those resources, either from creditors or investor. All three components of the accounting equation appear in the balance sheet, which reveals the financial position of business at any given point in time. The liabilities part of the equation is usually comprised of accounts payable that are owed to supplier, a variety of accrued liabilities such as sales tax and income tax, and debt payable to lenders. The shareholders equity part of the equation comprise of accounts payable that are owed to supplier, a variety of accrued liabilities such as sales tax and income tax, and debt payable to lenders. The shareholders equity part of the equation is more complex than simply paying the amount paid to the company by investor. It is actually their initial investment plus any subsequent gains minus any subsequent losses minus any dividends or other withdrawals paid to the investor. You can see this relationship between assets, liabilities, and shareholders equity in the balance sheet. where the total of all assets always equals the sum of the liabilities and shareholders' equity section. The reasons why the accounting equation is so important is that it's always true and it forms the basis for all accounting transactions. At a general level, this means that whenever there is a recordable transaction, the choice for recording it all involves keeping the accounting equation in balance. The accounting equation concept is built into all accounting software package so that all transactions that do not meet the requirement of the equation are automatically rejected. The next topic is Introduction to Accounting Basics. Some of basic accounting terms that you will learn include revenue, expense, assets, liability, income statement, balance sheet, and statement of cash flow. You will become familiar with accounting debit and credits as we show you how to record transactions. You will also see way to basic accounting principle, the revenue recognition principle and the matching principle. Assure that a company's income statement reports a company's profitability. In this explanation of accounting basics and throw out all of the free material and the pro material, we will often omit some accounting details and complexities in order to present clear and concise explanations. This means that you should always seek professional advice for your specific circumstance. As I bring my accounting English forum to a close, I once again thank you for allowing me to be here this afternoon and hope that this activity has given you a much clearer understanding of to apply accounting equation in English. I would welcome the opportunity to return with another group of students to present a different accounting English forum topic in the near future. Thank you.